Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the shop. I've got a few plans to take me out of town this week, but when I get back, we'll get back on Buddha's car over there. I've got the brakes, they finally came in. I've got the right caliper to put on it, so I'm gonna get that put in. The 89 CRX that's outside, I'm gonna load that up, get it taken to the new owner. So finally that time has come, and that's all on the next episode. But right now, I wanna take you guys over to road racing, and we'll just check in and see what Mad Boost Mark is up to.
Welcome back to the shop, guys. We're back at the road racing shop today. We're gonna see if we can't work on some spare parts, some BelleNova cleanup, and just get ready. Remember last time, we didn't make it.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no.
Diesel's fixed. Let's get to it. One of my things to get done today is the other fender. You've seen in some previous episodes that we have been working on this. Big Kim in the fab shop has done an amazing job at getting that logo cut out right there. And I've been kind of hacking away at it, getting it to fit the car. I'm gonna show you what I did here. Flaring out of the stock fender to fit the 24.5-inch slicks that we're bolting up. We had to do quite a bit of modding. So we had this custom piece made, which we talked about before. I have cut quite a bit of the bottom of the fender off to accommodate the out. I have cut a lot of the stock plastic molding off. We got a brace piece here. I've cut all of this out up here. There's no really cutting on the front because the front doesn't matter. I did cut the complete lip out, and right now it's kind of rough. We'll go from there. The car still isn't here. I can't test fit. All cut out, rough cut. Should fit right on. We are in one of the many buildings at the road racing property. There it is. Look at that thing. Mint looking. Yeah, look at that, guys. No tabs broken. We're about to cut it. Let's see, what about the other molding piece in here? Oh man, there's lots of CRX stuff that's purists would love to see me just tossing around. Yeah, there it is. We might better mount. Let's get to it. We'll clean that up in a few minutes. Pretty much, I'm cutting this square. I'm cutting all the mount, everything up. Basically, like that. I gotta line it up to get it to follow, but you get the gist. See, 2 pop rivets is what's holding on, and also holds the back support piece I added in. So we'll add that now. So you guys saw in that episode me measure that Type R so well and get it setting up beautifully, perfectly level. Mark doesn't do things quite as perfect as B, but it looks like if I measure down about 5 3/4, make a mark, I can have at least a little bit of measuring. Oh, see, I cheated. I made the line already, but yep, 5 3/4. Good enough? Fender's done, guys. Wide parts mounted. I was gonna put this trim piece on as well, but guess what? That's the wrong side. So, no, put it on. We're done with those for today. We are going to step up to the plate to get underneath Nova today. There's some low-hanging cables and wires. We're just gonna address that real quick. And then cold start. Shift cable hangs a little low. So I've already started. Slide under here. I've got that handy dandy zip tie right there. I'm gonna pull the cable up. Zip tie to the drive shaft loop just so it sits up and not so low dangling. O2 sensor is the other thing that's a little low. I might try to pull that wire up a tad bit, but it's the old saying, it is what it is. So let's knock this cable out and get that done real fast. Got the CRX fenders ready to bolt on whenever we get that back. Hopefully we'll get it back this week from welding the roll cage in. That was hard to say right there.
Yo! Getting spare parts back today. We put a roll cage in that thing. Got cousin Tommy with me. We're gonna go get spare parts CRX, see if we can't pick it up today and bring it back out to road racing.
Heading over to pick up the CRX.
Alright, so we're here, we got it. I think he did a phenomenal job. Loaded on a trailer and over to road racing.
Got a new four-wheeler. All right, right there. James and Tommy are here. Yeah! Let's go! There he is. TV playing.
Yo.
Wow. The fender flares look awesome. So does that shirt. 24.5-inch slicks, guys. Stock fenders with modifications. CJ in the fab shop along with Big Kim, man. These guys blew it up and this looks great. Plenty of room at full turn, at full radius. Done. We got everything unloaded and done. The boys are about to head out. Another great day at the shop.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm actually in New York, and I'm just adding this in the video because I thought it was so cool. Check out this Cadillac, man. On airbags even. Sick. It's like the front of a car over there to make the back seat. This thing is sick. Like I said, guys, I know this isn't part of the regular video. We just stopped at this shop, Rust Free Motors up here, because we saw this cool stuff, wanted to check it out. I just had to show you guys.
You can do whatever you want out here on your complex.
Whatever I want out here. Bye, James. Be safe, my friend.
So it looks like everything's pretty much ready to go to the track. Can't wait to get out there finally and bring you guys one of those episodes. But for now, that's gonna wrap us up. And until we see you on the next one,
Stay mad.
all the time, every day.
We'll get that back from the welder, getting the roll cage.
Go edit anything like starting now.